from when I was in my mother's womb was coming to church. So I think that considers all your life.
Early Friday morning, some dedicated members of Celia Phelps United Methodist Church in Guilford County.
I've been in church all my life, but I've only been saved since I joined this church.
Gathered to pray like they do every Sunday. This time outside the more than century-old sanctuary, charred and blackened because of smoke and heavy fire.
The church, oh wow, it's really on fire. And I seen a light and heard glass popping.
I have no words for what I'm feeling for what happened. Don't know why it happened.
Pinecroft Sedgefield firefighters spent hours putting out the flames at a place that so many called home.
Horrified, especially when the lights start coming up and you could see what had happened.
Before I got here, I could smell burning smell, which is shocking. I mean, and then of course seeing big gaping hole in the roof and two holes at that. I mean, it's just shocking.
Firefighters saved some church treasures: the original pews, chandeliers, plaques, and the church Bible.
The building was built, I believe, around 1920. The worshiping congregation dates back to 1905.
The relics, a ray of light for the saddened congregation.
Everything happens for a reason. Something good may come out of this.
The worshiping body is still intact. You know, whether we have to build a new building or have to, fix certain parts of our current building,